Hi there, I'm Amanda Ramsey, your over 40s makeup expert, and in this video you're going to see trends that you used to wear that you can still wear now, just updated and reimagined. I've seen a few trends come and go. I was a child of the 70s, a teen in the 80s, and I thought that we would look at the top 5 trends in makeup from the 80s and how we can modernize them so that they are flattering for your face. Let's go. Okay, trend 1. Trend 1, colorful eyeshadow, blue. So I've got 2 things I'm going to show you. The first one is just a soft wash of a pastel-y pink. You can choose any tone of pink. This is actually a blush brick from Bobbi Brown. Just pop a really soft wash of that over my eyelids. Now, here comes the blue. So I'm using the Eye of Horus Lazuli Blue Goddess pencil. To start with, just pop it in the waterline. And you're really trying to just paint, draw, use the pencil on your lower lash bed, okay? That might be enough for some of you. For the rest of you that are feeling like, let's crank it up, girlfriend, then you're going to push that pencil along the lower lash bed, just below the lashes. I find using my finger to pull my skin just a tiny bit, it can be quite helpful, and pulling this ridiculous face. For some reason, the ridiculous face is really helpful. Okay, once you've got your blue eyeliner on, just take a small pencil bullet socket-shaped brush with a little bit of something on it. So I'm just going to pinch a little bit of the pink. And this is just to help sort of smudge and set and just swoosh, just to set and soften. But I like to just flick it up a touch at the corner, just to give the eyes a bit of a lift, just ever so slightly. Trend 1, updated. Trend 2 was that heavy pancake foundation that was a couple of shades lighter than your skin tone. Nothing ages you prematurely more than that trend. So let's update it and freshen up your look with a luminous foundation that delivers that lit from within vibe. I'm not going to demo this. If you'd like a whole demo on choosing the right foundation color or applying the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, comment below and let us know. But this is the foundation. The key word in here is luminous silk. It's a lightweight liquid formula, and it's just going to give you that beautiful, fresh, glowy, healthy, natural looking skin. So that's how you're going to update and modernize that trend for foundation. Trend 3 was bright, super bright and quite strong, punchy blush. And there was loads of it. So how are we going to update that trend? It's just a nice, natural pop of flush blush. I'm going to show you 2 different options. One is with a cream blush. This looks crazy bright, but we're going to use a tiny touch of that high on the cheekbones. It is quite a vibrant pink, but you're just going to use a tiny little bit and blend that into the top of your cheekbone to give you that kind of just pinched look, but it also just lifts your complexion. So that's how we're updating that trend. Plus I'll just show you with a blush, a powder blush as well. Just lightly sweep it at the top of the cheekbones, sweeping backwards to keep everything lifted. Okay, so we just updated, freshened up your look with a soft wash of a pinky blush rather than this full-on stripes of bright pink blush, okay? Trend 4 was bushy a la Brooke Shields eyebrows. This is the 80s, okay? So in the 70s, we were pretty pencil thin. In the 80s, we went a la bushy. So I'm going to use this 24-hour brow setting gel from Benefit Cosmetics and just use that to brush my brows up. That way, I can really see where the gaps are that I need to fill. Then I'm going to take my Goof Proof brow pencil, again from Benefit Cosmetics. It has this spoolie in one end. Just make sure that gel's set. Now, even if you have thin brows, you want to create more like parallel lines through the head of the brow. and then your tail can just taper off. And there you have natural, fluffy looking brows, which just updates and modernizes your makeup look. Okay, trend 5 was heavy black matte eyeliner the whole way around the eye. Now that can really close down already sort of disappearing eyes. Instead, I'm not going to show you this, but if you want to know more, please comment below. If you want to still use a black eyeliner, absolutely go for it. Just use that pencil socket brush I showed you before and really soften and blend, smudge out the line so it's not quite so harsh. Another option is to swap the black for a softer tone. So this is a Inika Organic, this is the color Purple Minx, and it's just got a bit more softness to it, so you can still line your eyes if you like that look, but just maybe modernize it a little bit or make it a bit more flattering for mature eyes by using something like a purple or an olive green or a navy blue, something that just has a little more softness to it. You do you. If you love your blue eyeshadow, if you love your lots of pink cheeks, you go for it, girl, because makeup is all about how it makes you feel. One last thing, the frosty white eyeshadow. I'm going to say categorically, it ain't doing you any favors anymore. This is a bonus tip. I said I only had 5, but here's the 6th. So you got your trusty pencil brush, you got your favorite white frosted eyeshadow, and you're just going to tap it into the inner corners of your eyes. Okay, so you don't need to throw it out, you're just going to reimagine it and pop it in those inner corners of your eyes for an instant wake me up. Okay, so the good news was you can rock all of those trends you loved in the 80s with tweaks to bring them up to be current and flattering for all of you mature skin beauties. That's the good news. And the other good news is you're rocking those trends and you love them and they make you feel good. That's what it's all about, is how it makes you feel. Makeup needs to make you feel fabulous. That's its purpose. So I hope you've enjoyed this video on trends that you wore in the 80s and how to update them to flatter your mature skin now. Thanks so much for watching, and show your support by hitting the like button, give us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel here at Adore Beauty. And if you hit that little bell symbol, you'll never miss another video from us. That's it from me, Amanda Ramsey, your over 40s makeup expert, and I'll see you again soon.